Luna, you're pregnant. Don't know how many to expect, but I expect more than 5. Here is the man to be the father. See, the titties are becoming big. Soon Luna will be mother. She'll start mothering. Boyfriend is cheering her up. Seems the pregnancy has hit her. Let's do this. I don't know why. Luna is always there, taking it. Now they come Blackie. Blackie is the side chick. Puppy is asking for the food. Where's the food, Luna? Don't you know I'm the man of the house? And Blackie is like, don't you know you have to cook for us? We'll beat you up. Luna is like, I dare you. I dare you. He's like, are you serious? Blackie is like, do you want me to help you? Luna is like, dare me. Get the fuck out of my way. Blackie is like, no, I want my things.